Hello everyone, I am Dipti, Doctor of Naturopath and a cosmetologist. In my previous video, I have shared about how to prevent and cure facial acne. But most of us ignore about their body acne. Body acne is also caused by same factor that triggers facial acne. It is most commonly seen in male but also in some females who have hormonal issues such as PCOS, means polycystic ovarian syndrome, and also increase in testosterone hormones. Body acne is commonly formed on back, chest, shoulder and thighs. The main cause for this acne are genetic. Trouble with acne can run in your family. Medications if you are undergoing some treatment, hormonal issues, excess increase in secretion of oil and clogged pores, increase in stress level, etc. So if you want to get rid with this, make some simple changes in your lifestyle. Always take a shower after workout because dirt and sweat staying long time on your body can lead to acne breakouts. Shower twice a day. If you have a long hair, keep it tied in a bun. Wash your hair frequently. Always after conditioning your hair, take a body shower because if the residue of the conditioner remain on your body can lead to clogged pores. Avoid tight fitting clothes with a synthetic fabric. Always use loose clothing with a cotton fabric. Avoid carrying heavy backpacks and even heavy sport gear such as shoulder pads, which also leads to acne breakouts because of friction. Change your pillow cover and bedsheet cover thrice or twice a week. Washing them frequently remove bacteria and dead skin cells from bedsheet. Use body wash containing salicylic acid and benzyl peroxide. Apply a sunscreen lotion on a selected area which is more exposed to sun rays. But sunscreen always should be gel based or a sunscreen lotion. Keep your body hydrated and take a healthy food supplement and oral supplements. About oral supplements I have shared in my previous video, so you can go through that video. Along with this, I'll share some basic home remedies which will help to cure your moderate body acne. So first is, take 1 cup of apple cider vinegar or white vinegar, half cup of water and 4 to 5 drops of tea tree oil in it. Mix this solution properly and put it in a spray bottle. Use this spray on an acne prone area twice a day. Second is, take a 3 teaspoon of lemon juice and 4 teaspoon of honey. Mix it properly and apply for 15 to 20 minutes. And the last is, take a baking soda and mix it with the honey to form a paste and apply this mixture for 15 to 20 minutes twice a week for a better result. But always remember, if you have a severe or a rosacea acne on body as well as on face, you should be treated patiently with a cosmetologist because this acne will remain with you for about 4 to 5 months. It does not go away within 1 or 2 months. So you have to keep patience during the treatment under proper medications. So take a right treatment on a right time. Don't worry. Stay healthy, stay tuned and stay glamorous. So goodbye.